It's Saturday, January 22nd, 7:30 in the morning at Split Rail RV Park in Quartzsite. Wanted to see the beautiful clouds. Sun isn't quite up yet. Today we are leaving Joshua Tree National Park and driving west to catch Highway 10. Then we will drive south and go to Quartzsite, Arizona. Come along with us. Windmills weren't here when we lived here.
Well, they were starting now.
They were beginning, yeah. I think they were talking about it.
Jumbo tent.
Yep, that's the big tent.
Take exit 17 on the right to US 95, then take the first left.
Well, the big tent is like a big long tent. That's probably part of it.
Just so I could see it.
Yep. Now we are arriving in Quartzsite, Arizona. Right over the highway is the beginning of town. And on the right, you'll see one of the Quartzsite signs with the camels on it. These signs are at all 4 points as you enter town. As we go by the fresh jerky store, we didn't go in today, but we went in the next day, and Ernie bought some jerky.
Turn left, then take the first left. Turn left, then take the first left.
sun isn't quite up yet. This is the back of the off the property walking Snickers. There he is. There we go. I'll go show around the campground. But it's a beautiful morning in Quartzsite. That's the campground over there. Split Rail RV Park right next to 95. As you can hear, although last night it was pretty quiet, only a low drone. That's the office, and I think where the laundromat is. Check it out. And it's pretty packed in here. This is the front rows. You can see it's pretty close together. But we wanted full hookups for the first weekend, get our bearings of where we are. This is the second row of RVs, and this is the third row, and this is the row we are in. Here's our campsite, number 43. Trailer backed in, and we have our truck right parked next to it, and you can see our neighbor's truck parked next to us. It's pretty tight, but like I said, we wanted full hookups for the first weekend until we figure out where we're going to go. You can see how close we are to our neighbors. That's our trailer on the left and the neighbor's truck on the right. We do have full hookups, electric, water, and sewer. There is Wi-Fi, but due to the crowded RV park, it isn't very good at all. Well, I'm in the laundry room at the Split Rail RV Park, and they have dryers here. And it says feed quarter slowly or machine will jam. I guess it's 1 quarter at a time. And this is the washing machines, and there's 4 or 5 of them, and they're at $1.75 a load. And there's 2 more over here. I like the turtle mural on the wall. And other than that, it's pretty clean. Well, maybe. There is an ironing board if you need an ironing board. And some more mural on the wall. And there's a table and chairs. And another mural on the wall. And then there's a mural on the wall. So that's the laundry room at Split Rail RV Park. According to their brochure, they also have horseshoes, Nintendo, shiny new tiled restrooms and showers, extensive video and book exchange, a rec hall, card, TV, and reading room, and a walk through the cactus garden. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe, and stay crafty when visiting Split Rail RV Park in Quartzsite, Arizona. Thanks for watching.